Hey guys, and welcome to Metatrader4 tutorial video. In today's video I will tell you how you download and install Metatrader4 platform. I was amazed to know that majority of traders don't know how to download and how to install Metatrader4 platform, and when they try to install Metatrader4 platform they fail. So in today's video I will tell you how to avoid these mistakes. Okay, what is a Metatrader4 platform? Metatrader4 is the most popular platform for trading on earth. It is supported by absolute majority of brokers. You can trade crypto, stocks, indexes, forex, I don't know, metals, futures, CFDs, indexes, whatever financial assets are allowed to be traded by your broker. How it works: your broker sends quotes into Metatrader4 platform. Metatrader4 platform builds charts based on these quotes. They can be candlestick charts, bar charts, or whatever charts. Then you analyze these charts. Maybe you may be analyzing some other stuff like news, fundamental news, and make decision to open your position. You click a few buttons on Metatrader4 platform, and these buttons send orders to your broker server, and these orders are executed. This is very simple process. MetaTrader is very convenient. Okay, now let us start, and let's try to download Metatrader4 platform, and let us see how we first fail. When a newbie trader who never downloaded Metatrader4 platform tries to download Metatrader4 platform, he is thinking logically, I need to download Metatrader4 platform from official website, and he types in Google search Metatrader4. Okay, and he's looking for an official website. This Metatrader4.com is official website, so let's go to this official website. Let me turn that to English and see what happens. So in English we have Metatrader4. We choose Metatrader4. We choose, for example, Windows. You can choose whatever platform, whatever operation system you have. I choose Windows, and here it is suggesting us to install a setup file. This setup file is called Metatrader4 Setup. I already downloaded a few setups, but let me show you what happens. Okay, once the file is downloaded, okay, come on, it should start. Okay. Now, once the file is downloaded, we click on that file, and look what happens. We have this pop-up window, and now it says MetaTrader without number. You can see that it is simply MetaTrader with no number. The verified publisher is MetaQuotes Software Corporation. Well, it is actually the creator of Metatrader4. And then we click yes. So then we click next. Some downloading process happens, some advertisement is displayed. We are simply waiting to see what happens. Okay, once the installation process is finished, we click finish. Okay, automatically, let me close this. Automatically, MQL5.com website is opened. It is the community of Metatrader4, Metatrader5 users. And automatically the platform is opened itself. Okay, we can see that it is opened. So what we can see in this platform is that this is not a Metatrader4 platform. Instead, this is Metatrader5 platform. So you can see this number 5 here, because this platform is a Metatrader5 platform. Metatrader5 platform is supposed to be the next generation if compared to Metatrader4 platform, and official publisher, I mean MetaQuotes Software Corporation, it forces users to download and install Metatrader5. It is impossible to install Metatrader4 using official websites, because whatever you do, you click on Metatrader4, but Metatrader5 is installed. Okay, how you deal with this situation? You do not download and install Metatrader4 from official website because of this forcing. Okay, and by the way, automatically it opens a MetaQuotes demo account. Okay, you simply close this stuff, and instead what you do, you go to Google, yes, and you simply type your broker. For example, I want to install Metatrader4 platform from the broker. Well, what broker I didn't try yet? Let us use this Trade Direct 365 broker. This broker is one that I recently found out, and it is Australian broker, leading CFD broker or whatever. Yesterday I heard about this broker for the first time, so that's why I will use this broker. Okay, and you go to this broker. Wait for this page to open. The first thing that you need to do, you need to log in or register. When you log in or you open account or whatever, it is absolutely the same stuff than register. So open account equals register. Okay, then you miss this stuff. Don't pay attention to this, to Metatrader4, to Cloudflare and other stuff. If you will click here, yes, you will be redirected to official website of Metatrader4 platform, and you will actually repeat your first mistake. You will download Metatrader5. The first thing that you need to do, you need to register. I just registered before recording this video, and let me log in here. Okay, just log in. You can see that no ID verification still done. Okay, so what you need to do now, you can open your account. Just add a new demo account, choose Metatrader4 platform, and use USD currency, for example. Yes, create new demo account, and it is created. So it says that the account number is this, and other stuff is that. And here you can see the download button. Click this download button. It is pretty much the same with all brokers, pretty much the same. So save it. Okay, I already tried this operation, so I know what I'm talking about. Then we open this MT4 setup, and it is now saying that we are installing Metatrader4 terminal, and verified publish is the same, MetaQuote software corp. So we click yes, we click next, it is downloaded, then the same advertisement, but this time we also see this letter 4. Remember when we were installing previous terminal, previous platform, we had no number here, but right now we have that number 4. Then we click finish. Pretty much the same stuff happens. MQL5 opens, yes, and now if we go to our desktop, where is that, our desktop, we can find this Finsa MT4 terminal. So let's open that Finsa MT4 terminal. Okay, and now we can see that it provides 2 servers already inbuilt. We do not need to add them using this stuff, already inbuilt. If we will try to use Metatrader5, so just cancel this, cancel Metatrader5. So let's go here to Metatrader5, yes, and let's try to log into our open account or login or whatever. Yes, login to trade account, server Metatrader, blah blah blah. No, it is not this. How can I scan for open account? Okay, try to find that Finsa broker. There is no, because Finsa broker or Trade Direct 365 is not a Metatrader5 broker. It is a Metatrader4 broker. That's why it simply does not support Metatrader5. That's why you can find none. Okay, so don't be that stupid. Do not try to log in through Metatrader5. Only use Metatrader4. If your broker is Metatrader4, use Metatrader4. Okay, now we have Finsa Metatrader4 terminal. We don't have login. Let's open account. We can use the account that we opened with Finsa trade direct here. We have this, but we don't have password. And to get a password, we need ID verification. So this is the trick they use to force me upload the ID verification. But I am a bit smarter. I won't use that demo account. I will create my own demo account using Finsa PTY demo browser server and clicking next. New demo account. Here I choose my blah 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 stuff. Account type. What is this account type? I don't know what is this account type. Let me choose the deposit. These are random numbers, the random stuff, random names. It doesn't matter. Nobody will check that information. Okay, so deposit of this and GBP. I don't know why it is GBP. Oh, now I understand. So if you change this, it turns into USD or whatever. Okay, USD, next, finish, and now I have my login, I have my password, and I have my investor password if I want this password to send to my investors. Okay, if I go to mailbox, it says welcome. Now it is registered. It says welcome. Come on.
Incoming mail.
Okay, we have incoming mail. Mailbox. Well, inside of that incoming mail, it should be a yes. We have information about this server. New account registration. Okay, so this is the way we use that account. If you already verified your ID on your broker website and you already have your number of your account and your password, they are typically sent to your email. Then you simply go to open your login to trade account and you type this information here, login, password, and choose the server. If you have live account, you should choose live. If you have demo, you should choose demo. Well, that's it. Very, very simple. Now guys, how you install MPS on Metatrader4 platform. The first thing that you need to do, how do you prepare that? This doesn't have any connection to MPS itself. This is an Metatrader4 tutorial. Metatrader4 tutorial. So first you go to properties, black and white, for example, Control G to disable grid, right click the indicator, use some shift, place it here, stuff, and maybe this one. Okay. So how you install Metatrader4 MPS into Metatrader4? It is very, very simple. You first need to know your file path. You go to open data folder, and here in this file path you can see that terminal, and you can see its crypto name 1254 ABBA13 and blah 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 blah. Okay, so you don't need to remember the whole name. You simply need to be able to find it. Okay, then we go to MPS Update Center, double click, download and install, download process, and then we find our Metatrader4 platform 1254 ABBA13 blah blah blah. It looks like that it is Finsa Metatrader. Others are not Finsa Metatrader, of course. Okay, then we select this folder, they successfully installed, and then we go back to our Finsa Metatrader4. Now we open it, and we should have MPS 5 installed, MPS 5.5. So, well, the first thing we need to do, we need to go to Tools, Options, and we need to Charts, Experts, allow automated trading and allow DLL imports. This is very important. Without automated trading, you won't be able to send trades, and without DLL imports, you won't be able to have patterns drawn. Okay, and then auto trading is on, DLL imports is on. I think that's it. You can also go to, not this one, you can also go to History Center, choose your Forex, yes, choose your indexes, choose your energy. You can see lots of stuff provided. Choose your metals and double click, choose your time frame and download the history if you wish to do the backtest. If you don't wish to do any kind of backtest, then it doesn't matter. Okay, now run MetaTrader MPS 55 in your MetaTrader4. Go to common, make sure that you allow DLL inputs, make sure that you have the license key. It is displayed here. This is the license key, and then let us run it. Come on, you see everything appears. If I click on patterns, patterns appear, detail patterns appear, everything is working. If I switch the algorithms, you see everything is working. If I click manual, if I switch inverse, perfect. Bulls disabled, bear disabled. Okay, wonderful. Click and everything is deleted. Well, now you know how to install MetaTrader4 platform, how to prepare that for automated trading, and how to prepare your MetaTrader4 platform for MPS 5.5 installation. Hope you like this video. Maybe later I will record more MetaTrader4 tutorials, because there are lots of tricks, there are lots of hotkeys, there are lots of other stuff that may be very useful for you. Okay.